Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into something truly magical, the global power of music festivals and collaboration. It's incredible how music can transcend cultural boundaries and unite people from all walks of life. So, let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about music festivals. Think of Coachella, Glastonbury, or Tomorrowland. These events aren't just about the headliners or the hits, they're about the experience. You've got thousands of people all in one place, sharing a moment. It's pure, unfiltered human connection. Imagine being in a sea of strangers but feeling completely at home. That's the power of music. It breaks down barriers and creates a sense of community. Whether it's dancing to electronic beats, swaying to folk melodies, or headbanging to rock anthems, there's a collective energy that's impossible to ignore. Next, let's turn the spotlight on global collaborations. When artists from the different cultures come together, something magical happens. Take, for example, the collaboration between Shakira and Carlos Vives in La Bicicleta. It's a blend of Latin rhythms and modern pop that resonates with people worldwide. Or think about BTS collaborating with Halsey on Boy With Love. It's not just a song, it's a cultural exchange. These collaborations open doors to new sounds and perspectives, promoting understanding and empathy. They remind us that, at the end of the day, we're all more alike than we are different. Music festivals and collaborations also have a significant economic impact. They boost local economies, create jobs, and promote tourism. Cities that host these events often see a surge in visitors, which means more business for hotels, restaurants, and local vendors. But beyond the numbers, it's about the memories created, the friendships formed, and the stories shared. In a world that can often feel divided, music is a powerful force for unity. It teaches us to listen, to understand, and to celebrate our differences. Whether you're at a festival halfway across the world or listening to a cross-cultural collaboration on your headphones, music has a way of bringing people together like nothing else. It's a universal language that speaks to the heart. So next time you find yourself lost in a song or swept up in the energy of a live performance, remember, you're part of something much bigger. You're part of a global community united by the love of music. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the incredible power of music. Catch you next time.